Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra, and don't forget to take a minute to hit that subscribe button right down there so you can be part of the beauty squad. If you guys want to see how I achieve this simple look right here, my everyday foundation routine, then go ahead and stay tuned.
All of my friends are paid. I get that pay from VA. I tell my Huda I'm flossy, yeah. I get some bad, ship it overseas. I'm in Dubai, I don't need a visa. I'm speaking there.
So today we're starting a fresh bare face, no eyebrows, no moisturizer, nothing. We are doing my everyday foundation routine. Now I honestly do not wear makeup every single day, but if I'm on the run or if I just feel like putting this on for work or just to go run errands, this is what I do. It might be a little too extra for some people, but honestly this is just what I do. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put my contact in because I am blind as a bat. Okay, now that we have our eyes on, my contact so that I can see, I'm gonna go ahead and start with foundation. Now this, because it's winter and it gets colder, I over moisturize my face, and it's just what best works for me, because if I have a super moisturized face, then no matter how much makeup that I put on it, my face still feels hydrated and it does not feel dry. So the first thing I'll be starting is with this vitamin E from GNC, and this is just an ointment. And like I said, I just use this because I have really dry skin, and I just like having my face super moisturized. And what I've noticed with the vitamin E is it doesn't leave my face like super greasy. So this is just like a thicker consistency. And then next I like to go in with my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched. And honestly, I use a pretty hefty amount. And then next for my primer, I will be trying the Farsali Skin Tone Blur Primer, and this was a recent pickup from the Sephora VIB sale. And then I just want to go ahead and wipe off anything that I got on my eyebrows. And then let's not forget to moisturize our lips. I will be using the Kiehls lip balm in Cranberry. And for our eyebrows today, I'll be using the Revolution eyebrow pencil. Now for my lashes, I will be using my B lashes in the style Kiehls. So that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, I don't wear makeup every single day, but when I do, this is my go-to makeup. Now I will change up my lash style that I do wear, or my lipstick that I do wear. Sometimes I just go ahead, throw on a gloss, but pretty much this is what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the beauty squad, and I'll check you guys out until next time.